Hello guys! Good afternoon from Portugal. Hola todos, boa tarde. Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Okay, outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket? In this area, in the main game, it's a matching numbers game. And in the bonus area, we're looking for the same amount to win these amounts. Okay? Okay. Let's start. I'm gonna use my countrywoman, Eternity Luck Scratcher. She's Filipino American. Okay, let's hope we can find any win in the session. Any win? So we're looking for these 6 numbers. 59, 61, 62, 26, 63, 42. Oh meu Deus, 61, 62, 63. Ok. 69, 59, 37, 12, 27, 14, 62. Ay! I found a match! Nice! I found a match, guys. 62. Very nice. So this is a winner. 32, 23, 33, 17, 58, 59. Backwards this. So I found number 62, guys. Nice. 68, 46, no? 54, 11, 41, no? 31, 66, 64, 61, 62, 63, 64, 47, 45, no? 43, no? 26. ¡Ay! Two matches! Two matches, guys. Oh my god. Maybe this is a good win. 2 matches. There is no 2 matches here. Maybe I win more in the bonus area. Okay, let's do here. We're looking for 20. I found 20, guys. Nice. So maybe this is at least 50 euro win. About 50? No. How about 100? No. How about 200? No. So maybe 3 matches. 3 matches. So maybe this is a 50 euro win, guys. 20 can be 100 or 50. So this is a nice win, guys. This is either 50 or 100. Let's hope it's 100. This is a 50 euro win, okay? 15 26. So this is a 50 euro win, guys. Very nice. 50 euro win. Very nice session, guys.